Scheduling a meeting from the Zoom app. In this video, we will show you how to schedule a meeting in Zoom. Open the Zoom desktop app. Assuming you are logged in, you will see this screen. Click the Schedule tab, enter your meeting topic, select the date and time, if this is a recurring meeting, highlight the Recurring Meeting button. When highlighting the Recurring tab, a message appears to advise you to check recurrence or repeat in your calendar invitation. You can select whether video should be off for yourself and other participants when entering the meeting. Keeping the video off is good practice, so each person can activate the camera when they are ready and comfortable. By clicking the Advanced drop-down menu, you can select the Enable Join Before Host. This is useful if you are running late. The other participants can carry on with the meeting whilst you are not available. The best practice is also to mute participants on entry. This feature makes sure there are no disruptions to your meeting when someone joins. You could select to record the meeting automatically on the local computer. For this example, I will choose not to. Now click the Schedule tab. Your default calendar app will open. Open the event that you have created in the Zoom app. Click on the date and time, then choose how often you would like to repeat the event. I will choose every week, thus this meeting will be repeated once a week at the same time and day. Next, you will have to invite all attendees. Now all you have to do is click Send and your future meetings are scheduled.